Meaning of elude.
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 Elude. The word elude refers to the act of evading, avoiding, or escaping from something or someone in order to remain hidden, undetected, or out of reach. When someone eludes another person, they are successfully able to avoid being caught or detected by that person. This might involve physical evasion, such as running away or hiding, or simply using mental or emotional strategies to avoid being noticed or apprehended. The result of eluding is usually that the person who is trying to catch or find the eluder is unable to do so, despite their best efforts.